This paper presents preliminary theoretical results about asymptotic orbital stabilization of an aerial vehicle for landing on a periodic oscillating platform. To investigate the landing of an aerial vehicle on a platform longitudinally oscillating, like a ship's deck in some particular conditions of the sea, a rover equipped with a robotic arm is considered. The rover performs an oscillating trajectory. Such envisioned case study might reproduces the same effects of real scenarios, and it could also be easily reproduced in research labs. The video shows how the quadrotor is able to track the periodic motion of the oscillating platform and safely land on it. From the plots, it is possible to notice that when the altitude reference is kept constant, the closed-loop system asymptotically reaches the desired value. On the other hand, a constant error is exhibited by the system when z is a function of time. Notice that the virtual constraints in the theory have to be only geometric and not time-dependent, like instead considered for the altitude. The error related to the roll angle asymptotically converges to zero. The integral of motion preserves its zero value along the desired trajectory. Finally, the phase portrait shows in an intuitive way the stabilization of the desired orbital trajectory, in red in the figure. This preliminary work is necessary to develop a sequence of improvements, some of them are already under development.